Hello, and welcome to InfoComm 2015. My name is Stephen Valenti, and I'm happy to introduce the new iSmart classroom from Reach. We're standing in the Reach booth, and I have my colleague Eric over in Shenzhen, China, at Reach's headquarters, and we're going to demonstrate how the new B9 will integrate both lecture capture, auto tracking, and with an option for integrating into anybody's video conferencing system. So Eric is live now. It's presently about 11:30 at night. Thank you for staying up to help us out, Eric.
How are you, Stephen?
Doing great, thank you. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how our 5-camera system will work with our server and do automatically switching between our pan and tilt and fixed cameras, which will track using no other technology than video analytics built into our system. So the system will automatically see the teacher movement, the student interaction, and switch very cleanly without you having to witness any of the zooming in or zooming out of the camera. So it's a very clean, broadcast-looking automated system. Here's an example of the B9. Good, Eric. Why don't you go ahead and show how the system works when we move around within the classroom.
Okay. Now I'm in Shenzhen, Reach headquarters of China, and I will show you the 5 cameras, how it does its workings in the classroom. And now you can see the teacher close-up signals. This is the PTZ camera for the teacher. And when the teacher go around the stadium, you can see the signal will switch to the full view of the stadium, and you can see the teacher. When the teacher stand for a while, then you can see it switch to the teacher close-up. And also, sometimes the teacher will write something on the blackboard. Then I believe you can see the blackboard close-up.
So you'll notice here how suddenly the second input of the monitor switched from the input of the smart board and switched automatically to a camera that zoomed in on the blackboard, and that happens automatically with just his positioning. So after he stands still for 3 seconds in front of the blackboard, the system knows that it should switch over to the blackboard picture on the second monitor, but still stay focused on the teacher on the other monitor.
Yes, and also we have the camera for the students. Sometimes the teacher will do communication with the student and ask questions. So I will give you a demonstration. So Toby, could you please stand up to answer question? So could you please say hello to Steve?
Hello, Steve.
Hi, good evening, Toby. How are you?
Hey, fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah. So when the students stand up, you can see the students' close-up signals, and also when the students sit down, then you can see the signal will switch to the full view of the teacher.
That's a great feature.
Auto tracking system. Yeah, and also sometimes the teacher will go around the stadium to do some communications with the students. Then you can see the camera will switch to the full view of the classroom, and also you can see the students. When the teacher stands for a while, then you can see the close-up signals. Yeah, and also when the teacher go back to the stadium, then the signal will switch to the full view of the teacher. And also, we have the big touch screen for the PowerPoint of the teacher. You can see when the PowerPoint have some actions, it will switch to the PowerPoint action. And also, when the teacher have the action on the blackboard, then you can see the screen switch to the blackboard. This is all auto tracking system.
Yeah, so there you have it. We've had full automation of camera interaction with the students and the teacher. You get crystal clear images that are auto-selected for you, as well as images both locally and remotely. So everything he's done, if you tie it into a video conferencing system, is also being automated and displayed for the remote classroom. So all of this is being brought to you by the new technology from Reach. We have several other products, but we'd love to have you reach out for us. Let us know how we can help you, and good educating. Thank you. Where can we find the company website? The company website is www reach-us.net. That's the United States market. That's where our support team is for the U.S., and our offices are based up in Boston, Mass.